In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin using Changelly in just 5 minutes. So whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking for a simple way to add some Bitcoin to your portfolio, sit back and relax as we walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Changelly platform and sign into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. The sign-up process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, you're ready to go. Now, locate and tap on the Buy button. This button is your gateway to purchasing Bitcoin, so go ahead and give it a click. You'll be presented with a list of available cryptocurrencies, and you'll want to select Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC. This will set up your transaction to purchase this specific coin. Deciding how to pay is the next critical step. Changelly offers a variety of payment methods to choose from, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and some third-party payment providers. Each method has its own benefits, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. With Bitcoin selected and your payment method chosen, it's time to decide how much Bitcoin you'd like to purchase. Enter the amount and you'll see the current exchange rate along with any applicable fees. This is a good point to pause and consider if you're happy with these details before moving forward. Next, you'll want to specify where you'd like your Bitcoin to be sent. You can either input your recipient wallet address if you already have one, or opt to use a Changelly wallet. Make sure that the address you provide is correct, as any mistakes can result in the loss of funds. Depending on your transaction, you might be prompted to complete a Know Your Customer verification process, commonly known as KYC. This is a standard security procedure to verify your identity and ensure the security of your transaction. Once everything looks good, it's time to confirm your payment and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to complete additional security steps such as 3D Secure, 3DS authorization, or a one-time passcode OTP sent to your device, so be sure to have that information handy. After confirming the payment, the process of waiting for your deposit and necessary blockchain confirmations begins. These confirmations are crucial for ensuring the integrity and security of the transaction. Keep an eye on the transaction ID or TXID to track your purchase as it makes its way to your wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased Bitcoin through Changelly. With just a few simple steps, you can take advantage of this popular cryptocurrency platform to make your Bitcoin buying experience smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy trading.